Travelers, beware! Airlines are tightening their carry-on rules, and if you're not careful, your belongings could be at risk of extra fees, forced check-ins, or even getting lost at the airport. Don't let these changes ruin your trip. These changes could disrupt your travel plans in ways you never imagined. In today's video, we're breaking down every detail so you know exactly what to expect and how to protect your essential items. Stay tuned and take notes. This information might save you a lot of hassle and money on your next trip. Rule number 1. Carry-on dimensions. Starting March 2025, a new global carry-on size limit will be strictly enforced by airlines worldwide. The new maximum size is 22 x 14 x 9 inches or 55 x 35 x 22 centimeters. This means that if your bag is even slightly over these dimensions, you might be forced to check it in at the gate. Imagine the panic of being separated from your laptop, camera, or that special gift you packed carefully, all because your bag doesn't quite meet the new standard. Rule number 2. Weight limits. Airlines aren't just watching your bag's size, they're clamping down on weight as well. Exceeding the weight limit might result in extra fees or force you to check your bag, delaying access to your essentials. Before your trip, invest in a portable luggage scale and double-check your airline's weight restrictions. Every extra ounce matters. Rule number 3. Personal items. Not every item you carry is considered a full carry-on. Personal items, such as a small purse, laptop bag, or briefcase, are meant to fit snugly under your seat. Keep your most important belongings like passports, wallets, and electronics here, so they're always within reach. Rule number 4. Liquid restrictions. Liquid rules are back, and stricter than ever. According to the new regulations, each container must hold no more than 100 milliliters, and all liquids must fit into one clear, resealable bag. Forget these limits, and you could lose your favorite perfume, essential skincare, or travel-size shampoo right at the security checkpoint. Transfer your liquids into travel-size containers ahead of time, and keep that clear bag easily accessible. Consider packing extra bottles in your checked luggage if needed. Rule number 5. Electronics. Airports, especially in the EU, are scrutinizing electronics more closely than ever. You may be required to remove items like laptops, tablets, cameras, and even smartwatches for separate screening. Keep your electronics in dedicated, easily accessible compartments. Using a laptop sleeve or separate pouch can help you quickly remove and replace your devices during security checks. An organized bag not only speeds up the screening process, but also minimizes the risk of misplacing or damaging your gadgets. Airline-specific changes and emerging travel trends. Air Canada. For passengers flying on a basic fare ticket, be prepared for extra charges on North American routes. If your bag doesn't meet the new guidelines, you could face fees of $35 for the first bag and $50 for the second. Imagine the hassle if your bag is unexpectedly checked in, leading to delays, or even the risk of losing important items if your checked bag gets delayed or lost. Following a recent in-flight fire incident, power banks are now banned from overhead lockers. Make sure to carry your power bank in your personal item to avoid confiscation or potential safety hazards. India's new one-handbag rule. Say goodbye to extra bags. If you're flying in India, be warned. Passengers can now carry only one handbag, no exceptions. The maximum weight, just 7 kilograms. If you bring anything extra, you'll be forced to check it in and pay overweight fees. That means you could lose access to your personal essentials during your flight. With all these new restrictions, some travelers are getting desperate. The latest viral trend, naked traveling. Packing so light that you carry almost nothing just to avoid airline fees and rules. Would you go to extremes to protect your belongings from baggage fees? Airports are getting stricter, and airlines are making it harder than ever to keep your carry-on safe. If you don't follow these new rules, you could lose access to your belongings, pay surprise fees, or even have items confiscated. Stay informed, pack smart, and don't let these changes ruin your trip. Subscribe for more travel updates and safe travels.